We are going to discuss about the representation of various processes on PV diagram. Any process can be represented by the equation PV power K is equals to constant. Let us consider the first process as constant volume process. That is, volume is equals to constant. V is equals to C is a required condition. But we know that PV power comma K is equals to constant. Multiply to the powers with 1 by K on LHS and RHS, we will get the equation like this. PV power 1 by K into V is equals to C power 1 by K. And check it for what value of K it is satisfying the condition V is equals to constant. If you substitute K is equals to infinity, then P power 1 by infinity into V is equals to C power 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value must be 0. Therefore, P power 0 into V is equals to C power 0. Finally, P power 0 is equals to 1 and C power 0 is equals to 1. Our volume is equals to constant. So, from this condition, we can conclude that K is equals to infinity for constant volume process. If we take a constant pressure process, that is P is equals to constant is the required condition. We know that PV power K is equals to constant is the equation which satisfies any process where K will varies from 0 to infinity. Substitute K is equals to 0 in the above equation. We will get PV power 0 is equals to constant. Therefore, P is equals to constant. So for a constant pressure process, the value of K is equals to 0. If you take an isothermal process, means temperature is equals to constant, we know that PV power comma K is equals to constant, and we also know that PV is equals to MRT and PV is equals to constant. If you substitute the value of K as 1, we will get the required condition, that is PV is equals to constant or temperature is equals to constant. Therefore, for isothermal process, K is equals to 1. For adiabatic process, PV power gamma is equals to constant, where K is equals to gamma. This gamma is known as adiabatic index, which is the ratio between specific heat at constant pressure to specific heat at constant volume. And if you take a polytropic process, PV power N is equals to constant, the value of K is equals to N, where N is equals to polytropic index. From the above 4 process, we can conclude that for constant pressure process, K is equals to 0. For constant volume process, K is equals to infinity. For constant temperature process or isothermal process, K is equals to 1. For adiabatic process, K is equals to gamma. For polytropic process, K is equals to N. If we plot all these processes in a PV diagram, we will get a curves like this. If we plot a pressure against volume in expansion process, that is, for K is equals to 0 is a constant pressure process, and it varies from K is equals to 0 to K is equals to infinity. K is equals to infinity is a constant volume process, and between this constant pressure process and constant volume process, a constant temperature line or isothermal line and polytropic line and adiabatic line will be plotted like this. Means K is equals to 1 is a isothermal process, K is equals to N is a polytropic process, K is equals to gamma is an adiabatic process. The value of K is increasing from this curve to this curve in this direction.